the Pigmento cream, a very well-made cream from Tarak Pharma, sir. Again, Bakuchi oil, cassia tora, chakramarda is there. Can you please walk us through these ingredients?
Yeah, Bakuchi is one of the main ingredient. See, it contains Bakuchi oil as well as Bakuchi beach, and even it contains Tulsi beach, Chakramarda beach, and even Aristika beach. So all these things definitely, and of course penetrative, they have added Chitraka, Jiraka, and something like that. And of course for coloring nature, Gairika is also there, Kandaka is there. So definitely same almost similar type of combinations what we give internally, similar combinations. They made it as an ointment base, and of course something which is applied like this. And these do contain some photocomarins. They are sensible to reactive to sunlight. So that's why soon after the application of this pigmento and a little bit rubbing is done, so that ointment gets penetrated the skin. Then the skin, that area, affected area should be exposed to early morning sun rays or the mild sun rays, so that it will develop stimulate the melanocytes to produce melanin. So definitely it's a very good combination.
So rubbing is to be done till what, sir? I mean, just to irritate, or any lesion is to be formed with?
It's not like that. Just like you see, many a times what happens is, if I say the patient that you have to apply this one on the skin, the very affected part, then exposed to sun. I have seen that some of the patient, they will apply like a thick paint, and without rubbing they'll expose it to sun. That is not a right way of doing it. So that's why I said apply ointment to this area, affected area, rub it till it penetrates the skin, and you don't find the original color of the ointment. It's only just something oil is smeared, something like that, it appears. After that, expose, and your lesion can easily seen through your application. Then you can expose the skin, applied area to sun.
I mean, how long they should be exposing to sun, sir? Like, is there any?
Usually, if it is around 8 a.m., quite good sun is there, then of course 20 minutes to 30 minutes is sufficient. Sometimes in cold countries, we don't get the sharp rays of sun, then it may take some more time, and some timings may be adjusted. And of course, there are places like in Rajasthan or North India, very early, 7 o'clock itself, there will be sharp sun rays during summers. So in that time, we can't tell the patient to at 8 o'clock sit in the sun for half an hour. No, that will not be there. So according to these locations and the conditions and the seasons prevailing, we need to adjust the timing and the dosage of exposure.